Thank you for coming to this old car. Well, today we're working on a p825 Polaris. I just went and got these gears online. I'll put a link of where I got them from. But anyways, got this, wasn't going up the walls, and come to find out the teeth on these were pretty toast, so you can see the comparison. It cannot grab. So, you know, you can see there's no teeth left. So anyways, taking this apart, pulled off my whole thing. I'll make another video on that. But anyways, when you're replacing the gears, this is a helpful hint on the gears. Got this rod that's got this little detent on the side. This goes through, and to pull this off, which looks like this, squeeze in this detent. You can use your fingers, or you can use a pair of pliers, but be very careful on it. These detents just squeeze in. You can see not much, just enough to where when you're pushing it through this roller to get it back through, I pushed on one side and then kind of pushed on it from the bottom to then get it to pass through, because what it's doing is it's kept in this ring inside here. And there's one way this is in here. You can kind of see the little edge right there. So the way that this sits in here, it locks it into this tooth. So that locks onto here. That locks, so you can kind of barely see it right there. So once that locks in there, that's what keeps that on here. So replacing your roller, just depress these sides and work it out. So going back together, you want to put your gear together with your roller. Get that lined up in there, get that lined up in there. So now you see the tooth is happy. This tooth is not happy. It's just stripping away. And it won't grab, and just, it's all shredded. Anyways, and then to put it back into place, take your little part here, come back through, and then you'll push this back up in there into place to lock it into place, like so. Look at the detent. These detents are not fun. I don't like these detents. That's a big one. Anyways, that's how it is right there, the big detent. So that lines up in there, so you're squeezing these detents to get it through, and then it's locked in place. That's one down, and you got two of them on each side. Check this one as well, check your teeth. Also, check in here, make sure all your teeth look good. Again, I got these teeth off of Etsy. ETSY. These are obviously made on a 3D printer. Not too bad, actually. There's two different styles that I've noticed. There's this one where this guy's got his name on it, and then it's got a coil running through there, and this one has nothing. But either way, the old ones had these holes in them, but there's no reason for it to have holes in it. So as long as they fit, I don't really care. As long as we can buy them and they work, that's all that matters. Well, thanks for coming to this old car.